Hey, I'll go first. Good luck.
Activate his effect to tribute him. Then activate his effect in the graveyard.
Get our life points up and everything.
Yeah, draw one for one back in.
So when they're prepared?
Standby. Yep. Main phase. Attempt to e-call. It's good.
Activates that effect. Add 2 tokens.
Add Stratos.
Can't go past level 3 this turn.
Normal spin Stratos. Stratos effect to search. Activate first. Discard and deny. Is that good?
What does he do?
So it'll activate a hand, and then it'll summon, and then on summon, he'll place a vision hero from my deck to dispel and trap.
Okay.
Effect.
Hero things.
Yeah. Keep it simple. Unless you draw him, then it ain't simple anymore. All right. So what increase does? He's considered a kind of continuous trap. He'll tribute a hero on my field for cost. He'll summon himself, and in a new chain, he'll special a vision hero from my deck level 4 lore. So I'm going to attempt the effect. I'm going to tribute this for cost. Response. Oh, that was hardcore. Holy moly. I lost 2 for 1. Set 2. Go ahead. That was strong. Yep. That brings back memories when they hold it. Ooh. I will chain imperm.
Okay. So I don't get that. That's fine. Special blue.
Effective blue is fine. Yep. It's gonna be crazy right here. Unres. Activate rivalry.
What does that do again?
You're either locked in the Thunders or Cypress.
Rivalry. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, you got it. You can just play through it. Yeah, you good. I ain't got nothing else after that. Live 10 Spright go hard.
Live 10 Spright go crazy.
I played like 2 yesterday, I think, or 2 last week. Damn, that ogre was so strong. Yep, you're good.
Just started fire.
I'll take a.
Just wants to.
Take 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Super heavy samurai feature matchup. That's what the dude's gonna do. He's just gonna use a sulfur.
Oh, sure.
Twice yesterday, one of them was playing. Started and was like 4-0. Over today and Monday.
Yep.
Activate out of equivalences. Shuffle in 3 banish. Draw 1.
Yep.
Shuffle these 3.
Yep.
That's okay.
Wait. Where'd you activate this starter in? What column?
Activated in this. You confirm that.
Okay, cool. It's not one time, man. I activated it. It's my opponent activated this column. I'm just putting every spell right there.
Okay.
It's more of an OP day for going second.
Stand by me.
Yep.
Oh. His, I'm gonna activate his. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. His attack's not high.
Yep.
Probably should have went for the other one to blow up Stratos.
That's fair.
But it's okay.
Yep. Offer cut. Cause you're gonna draw, right?
when she's linked off, I'll activate chain XC. Special summon. Special summon. Yep. Now I will special summon her. I'll try to attack 6 months. She has no effect, but just special summons. Then protect my back row. I will now. So I will do this. That's a good
You're locked in gigantic.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. That is a hard misplay. Not bad.
Requires 2 insects or more.
Honestly, I think I just need to do it.
Those are cybers, right?
You're gonna bring your gigantic back.
But I don't think you can make her use a parallel XC, right?
All right.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right, bro.
Draw. Stand by. Main.
Alright, I'll make
The main phase.
Activate Fusion Destiny.
what's that do again?
So I'll let me fusion summon using monsters from my deck and hand.
Okay.
And then I'm locked into Dark Heroes.
Okay.
Cards in, 2. Effects, special from deck. Those are banished cards.
A very degenerate deck. Why that so?
2, 4, 6, 8. Things minus 800. So DP has a continuous effect that he makes all your monsters attack reduced by 200 for each hero in my graveyard. So 2, 4, 6, 8. All your monsters are minus 800. Oh shit. You're at 7,000, right?
Always played as the decks I never expect to see.
Effect that denier to special itself from grave. Because I control a Destiny hero on the field or in grave.
Okay.
Effect on summon to put the mallet that's banished back on the top.
It's like you to win the game.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It's a good deck. I just never thought I would see it today.
Yeah. Effect to swallow the special itself on the
That's fine.
You have to
Attempt to move, leave main. So they're at 11, right? 2, 4, 6, they're minus, so they're all at 500. Attack over for 300.
Well, I can't because they're on the lane target.
Attack over for 600. There's 61. DP effect. It'll destroy both, non-targeting. Attack for 25, 5,000. This will be game. Because you're at 61.
Okay, that's fine. I had to play on the rival, it was hard.
Yeah, the rivalry changed. I was like, oh, all right, good luck.
So then I summon them, but I can't do it.
How did you come up with this deck? Was it somebody else? Oh, fuck.
I heard this was possible and I figured out how to do it.
All right. Yep.
You are a good deck builder. You make shit work. You, Michael Cole.
Yep. Yep.
Also, you know this stuff, right?
Yeah. You're good.
So that way,
I lose this deck so many times. It's rough. Because I don't know where to properly interact with the deck.
I'll tell you after the match. That way you don't do it when you're playing.
Yeah, fair.
Put this in there for you.
Sure.
Nothing on that? Two? Yeah. I didn't see Holotea. I'll put walls in here for you. And then you know, I didn't see
XT's make or redo her.
No, it takes 2 level 4s. That's either 7s.
They come forth from something.
Oh, I don't know.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to put Actress Cold Top in the deck. What do you think? Because I had Zeus, and I got rid of him yesterday because Zeus doesn't really come up.
You have to script him.
Draw. Stand by. Main.
I think 64 yesterday. I got some money back because
Attempt to activate Fusion Destiny.
But he, I don't know, I forget to make him so many times. Sorry, good game.
No, you're good, bro.
I don't think there's anything that wants to Master right now.
What about Joel?
Rolls okay.
Good.
Yeah, Joel sort of hurts me too because I can summon him. Good short match where I got my ass handed to me.
It's alright. It's always next turn.
I will beat you one day. One day I'll have to get a W back. Like I said last time, I hope you win. I don't want to
Anything on summon?
tables here.
It just depends on how consistently I pull this off.
Yeah, if you can pull that consistently.
Gonna Valor it now.
All you need is Fractal and any piece of core or Make
sure that doesn't happen. I did not expect that to happen.
Chain effect. Double the trouble. Sure. We, yeah, this call. Yeah, we indefinitely negated. Okay. What is that card? Is the real question.
Storming's not bad. Depends on if you get to resolve the cycle. It gets
Effect. Special from deck. Good.
How many cards in there?
4.
4?
Yep. Sure. Normal summon. Effect. Put the Mally back. This banished back on top. Activate polymerization. Fuse the 2. Take another DP.
So you've taken a good bit of damage.
You have to control a live twin, evil twin thing for me to take any damage.
Oh, you're right.
Question is, do I want to draw that card? I don't think that's a play. That's a misplay. Anyway, that's fine. Attempt to move to battle. That one's foreign. You can read this one.
Oh, okay. Is it Spanish?
I think Euro. I can't remember. Let me see. Hold on. It tells it at the end where the little signy is. If it's D, it's German. But
It's German. Too expensive to read it.
That's fair. Kind of want one more German one.
Oh, it wouldn't summon because of that.
Use my bag.
That's that.
Well, I know I'm drawing that Mally for turn, though. I'll tell you that. Anything in battle? Swing over.
activate true and call.
Oh, stop. Was it 16? So you took 900. Main 2. Set 1. Go ahead. Anything in your draw phase? Is this on activation that it searches?
Yeah.
Okay. Tim DP's effect.
Oh, yes.
Pop your set card.
My bad, I forgot to.
I hope this wasn't on.
It was.
He asked me 3 times.
3 times? Oh my lord. 3 times?
I don't see that over
Effect the DP. It'll summon back in the next standby phase.
A lighter?
I'm coming behind you.
We made a mistake. We put my Mally back on top, so I'm drawing it for turn.
Okay. After that search, I
Draw. Standby. Same monster. Should I bring that one back? Battle phase. Effects. Pop. Effects. Go ahead. Standby phase.
It's a quick effect, right?
Yes. Chain. Pop. So it doesn't resolve
Well, activate his effect.
because it's a continuous card. Effect.
Yep.
My turn.
You got it.
All right, I guess.